Here's an interesting corrugated steel shed. The width of it is 14, to the gable it's 7, and to the ridge it is 10 feet. Side of this is 17, 18 feet. There's about a 6-inch overthrow. I think it'd be better with a foot. Corrugated buildings, with the advent of the new breathable membrane, and providing you have a 50mm gap between the metal and the internal membrane structure, now proved to be a serviceable building. The overhang here is generous, about 6 inches, but if it was out, say for example, an inch further and an air gap introduced there, that would create more airflow. And the same with the ridge. That was just slightly higher, the ridge capping itself, or then ventilation under the roofing would be improved immensely. It's a wonderful building, very practical in size. And there's the plans, very simple. Got a 7 feet height to just to the bottom of that gable end. So you've got a 7-foot ceiling and 3 inches above it, making it 10 feet in height. A very, very practical building. Twin door entrance set to one side, and that would be a very practical sized, useful addition for a small workshop. It'd be, well, all pluses. Hope it's inspired you.